Hi, this is Jack Stanley, and just a very quick video. I'm in the hospital, and I did have my left knee replaced, my total knee replacement. And, well, here I am. It's going to take a few days for me to get out of the hospital, and then we'll see how we do and how well I can walk and what I'm going to go through with physical therapy. And just wanted to mention that, just to share that bit of information with you. As I mentioned in a previous video, I would take you along for a ride. So I'm just lying here in bed in the hospital and in a lot of pain, to be honest. But the deed has been done. Thank you.